Welcome to Tutor Online. New Syllabus Mathematics Book 1 7th edition, Chapter 2, Integers, Rational Numbers and Real Numbers, Exercise 2A, Question number 2 to 3, Basic Level. Question number 2. Fill in the blanks below. Part A. Negative and positive values always have opposite direction. Therefore, if minus 6 represents 6 meters below sea level, then plus 30 represents 30 meters above sea level. Part B. Since withdrawal is opposite of deposit, therefore it will be indicated by opposite sign of sign that deposit has. Here deposit has positive sign, therefore, withdrawal is indicated by negative sign. Therefore, if plus 40 represents depositing $40 in the bank, then a withdrawal of $35 is represented by minus 35. Part C. Negative and positive values always have opposite direction. Therefore, if minus 60 degrees represents a clockwise rotation of 60 degrees, then plus 30 degree represents an anti-clockwise rotation of 30 degrees. Part D. Since both numbers are same, therefore, both cars have same speed but opposite direction. Here the car with plus 45 is traveling towards east, so the car with minus 45 will be traveling in west, that is the opposite direction of east. Therefore, if plus 45 represents a speed of 45 km per hour of a car traveling east, then minus 45 represents speed of 45 km per hour of a car traveling west. Question number 3. Fill in each box with less than or greater than sign. No matter how larger is the negative number, it will always less than 0 in any positive number, so 16 is less than 60. 3.1 is less than 3.2. Minus 6 is less than 8. 30 is greater than minus 31. Minus 2 is less than 0. And 9.8 is greater than minus 9.9. Thanks for watching. Do subscribe our channel by clicking the button below. Also press bell icon in order to get notifications of our future videos.